Hi guys, welcome back to Diary of Adi. Yes, मुझे काफ़ी लंबा टाइम लग गया वापस आने में, but one of the main reasons was I had to focus on my studies as well as majorly बहुत सारे issues आए. Yes, I got chicken pox as well as many good achievements also happened between that. I participated in ICCC, that is the intercollegiate cultural competition, and after that I did well in my exams. And another thing that was like, I participated in the annual English play. I played the role of Beauty's father. Whenever I got the video, I'll surely share with you people. And one of the major reasons for me to change my name from Vaishwa Diditi to Diary of Adi was because I felt Diary of Adi was more convenient as well as connectable with my followers. Thank you so much for being so patient with me and staying connected. Hopefully you'll get to see more and more vlogs of mine. And yes, I did crack a campus placement. Yeah, I'm a corporate worker now, from college life to a corporate life. So basically today's topic for our vlog is going to be, I'll be going to the street and asking random people one happy or sad memory of theirs that they're not able to forget, or either it can be what motivates them to come up daily and to do things like हमारे रोज़ के routine में what motivates us to get up daily and start up our life again. So yes, that's what's going to be today in our vlog. Hopefully we'll find people that won't be able to interact much, but let's try our best. Stay tuned. So yes, I'm out on the streets now, and this is the park that is nearer to my place. And boys, like as you can see, boys like over there keep on playing either cricket, sorry for the trash, yes, and a few people over there play football. Many children come here to enjoy on the rides, the swings, of course. And yeah, there is a bike behind me. So that's the back view. There you can see the boys playing, and this is where the guys play football. They're not here today, and I'm moving on. That's where the kids are having a little fun on the swings. Usually parents accompany them to this side, and let's bring back the camera again to my side. Easy to get as many people respond to our question that I am going to ask. फिर भी हम try कर सकते हैं. Let's try it out. I'm currently going to the main market that is nearer to my place, and whoever answers my question well, like not well, but yeah, if they interact, then I'm going to give them this small token of love. I know it's not very much big, but we can do that, right? So see you at the main market. Finally we are here to this park जहाँ पे मुझे मेरी एक random stranger है, ठीक है, and she is going to help me out in recording the very first response. Her name is Yakshita, and we are going to go and ask her out that what's that one happiness that she's not able to forget yet. Yes. So yeah, I was going to record the very first person, but उसने अपने father से बात करी, and he said a no, and few females weren't comfortable enough कि वो ऐसे share out कर सकें, because yeah, some families are very conservative. They're not comfortable, but let's go out to the main street and ask them out.